Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my first Fabfitfun unboxing. This is my first time getting my Fabfitfun box, and I wanted to open it on camera and see all the goodies that are inside. So Fabfitfun is a subscription. You get this box quarterly. So there's beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle inside the box that you get about 4 times a year. I've seen a lot of people doing unboxings and there's always such great things inside. So I wanted to get one for myself and actually do the unboxing on camera so you guys can see. Okay, so Fabfitfun is in support of women's Alzheimer's movement, and it says so right here on the box, and I think that is really great. I'm just going to open this up. Okay, so before we get started, I wanted to say that in order to get Fabfitfun, you pay $49.99, and in the box you get a value of $200 and up. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I got, and at the end I'm going to add everything up and see how much the value of the box is. Okay, so when I open my Fabfitfun box, this is the first thing that I see, which is the Fabfitfun Winter 2019 magazine. And then there's also coupons. The Fabfitfun magazine actually tells you what you have inside of your box, other items you could have gotten but didn't, and it has a few articles and recipes in here. One of the coupons is for HelloFresh. You get 9 free meals, which I think I'll be using. And the second coupon is, I guess, to give to a friend, and they get 15% off their first Fabfitfun box, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and see what's inside. And this is all the goodies that I'm going to open up and show you guys and tell you what they are and what they do. Guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Oh, it's a coffee scrub. It says original coffee scrub, 100% natural exfoliator for smooth glowing skin. So this is the packaging right here, and you can see this cute little butt right here. I think it's by the brand Frank Body. This is actually really nice, and they make it kind of funny. It says lose the pants, you don't need them where you're going. Destination Babe Town. How to use, get naked and get wet in the shower. Massage scrub over the entire body. Reseal the waterproof bag. Keep me in the shower. Rinse your body. Use 2 to 3 times per week for best results. So I am going to try this. I used to use body scrubs in the past, especially coffee scrubs, but then I stopped. So I am so happy to start using them again and give this one a try. But yeah, I'm going to put this aside and go on to the next product. The second item in the box is the makeup eraser. It erases all makeup with just water. It is antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Great for sensitive skin, and it saves money. It also says it is the one sustainable makeup remover in the world. And this is actually really great because a lot of people uses makeup wipes and face wipes, and these are very harsh on your skin. So using something like this is a lot better. I stopped using makeup wipes a long time ago just for that reason. It is very harsh on your skin. So this is really nice to have. So this is the material right here. It is nice and really soft. I usually use a cleansing oil to take off my makeup, but I am so excited that I'm going to be trying this. Okay, so the next item is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. It is by the brand Dry Bar. It looks like so. It is formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. And it is lightweight and protects your hair from heat, which is really, really nice to have. I've never tried anything from Dry Bar, so I'm really excited that I got this. I've heard only good things about that brand, so I'm definitely going to use this. Okay, so the next product is by the brand Karuna. It says Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. They are natural fiber sheet masks I really love face and eye mask. I try to use them in my weekly routine when I do my skincare. So these are the masks right here. The packaging is super nice, and every mask does something different. So there are 7 masks for the 7 days of the week. There's one for age defying, antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and renewal. So I like that they kind of made it fun for every day. There's Sunday Fun Day, Mask Crush Monday, Tip Tuesday, Hump Day, Thirsty Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays. It says use weekly as a regular part of your skincare ritual for a healthy, beautiful complexion, which is what I'm definitely going to be doing. Okay, so the next product I grabbed is this right here. It is by Lashes MD. It is a eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. It says get the look you always wanted. See initial results in 3 weeks. So the actual product looked like so. I've actually never tried any lash and brow conditioner or any growth serums, so I'm actually excited about this, and I am definitely going to try this. I'm really happy that they included a eyeshadow palette in here. It is by the brand Beauty Bakery. I've never had anything from this brand. It says proof is in the pudding eyeshadow palette. The palette is super beautiful. There are some nice neutral shades, some shimmer shades, and some warmer shades down here. Even though it is very nice, I have so many colors like this, so I don't know how often I am going to reach for this, but I am super happy that they actually included a palette in here. The next item in the box is this guy right here. I did choose this. You have the option to customize your Fabfitfun box, and I went on the website and I actually chose this, which is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It conditions and restores. Moisturizers can be really expensive, especially if it's not from the drugstore. So when I saw this, I had to get it. Use twice a day, AM and PM. Apply a thin, even layer to face and neck. Use alone or layer over a favorite Kate Somerville treatment serum. You can never go wrong with a moisturizer. Everybody uses moisturizers, and I needed a moisturizer, so I'm really happy I got it. It looks like so. You can't really see it because it is a white cream and my lighting is super bright, so you can't really see it. It does feel very milky, very moisturizing, so I'm so excited. Yeah, it feels super smooth, and it has this very light, very subtle scent. Okay, so the last item I got is this guy right here. It is by the brand Cuscio Somatology. It is Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash Daily Cleansing Ritual with Lavender Oil. I'm really glad that I got this because, as you all know, Epsom salt is really nice. It helps to relax you in a bath. It helps to relax your muscles, especially in those days where you are super sore. So having this as a wash is even better, especially on those days where you can't or you don't have time to take a bath. Using this can be really nice. Okay, so in the back it does say that it cleanses without dehydrating the skin. Using the finest ingredients, Epsom salt helps muscle feel reinvigorated and re-energized after the most intense workouts. It has vitamin B5 shea butter to help the skin feel moisturized post shower. Yeah, this is very nice, especially if you're the kind of person that doesn't like to take baths. You get the same benefits but in the shower. Okay, so yeah, this is the exciting part. I'm going to be adding everything that I got in the box. I got 8 products. So the Kate Somerville cream is $65. The eyelash conditioner is $69.95. The Karuna eye mask set is $42. The Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette is $38. The coffee scrub is $16.95. The Epsom salt body wash is $39.95. The makeup eraser is $20. And lastly, the Dry Bar Prep and Prime detangler is $23. That was all 8 products. All that added up is $314.85. So this is why I like and enjoy subscription boxes. You're only paying about $50 and you get over $300 worth of products. It is very nice to get to try so many things, so many different brands, and everything in the box is actually very enjoyable to have. So I'm very excited that I got my first Fabfitfun box, and yeah, I'm going to be doing these from now on. So subscribe if you want to see more Fabfitfun videos. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.